The graph below shows the variation of an electric potential as a function of Z. The potential is described by the following piecewise continuous function. And in these expressions, V is the unit of volts, and don't confuse this with the symbol for the potential function. Now in part A, find a vector expression for the electric field for each of the 6 regions in parts 1 to 6 below. So recall the electric field is minus the derivative of the potential energy function, and in this case it's a total derivative because the potential function depends on one variable, and the electric field acts in a z direction. So for z is greater than 2 meters, we have the derivative being minus 2, so the electric field is minus 2 and acts in the k direction. And where z is between 1 and 2 meters, the potential function is 0, so the electric field is also 0. And from 0 to 1 meter, the derivative of the potential function is minus 2z squared, so the electric field is positive 2z squared in the k direction. And from minus 1 to 0 meters, the derivative is positive 2z squared, so the electric field is minus 2z squared and acts in a z direction. And from minus 2 to minus 1 meter, the potential function is 0, so the electric field is also 0. And where z is less than minus 2 meters, the derivative of the potential function is 2, so the electric field is minus 2 and acts in a z direction. And moving on to part B, make a graph and sketch the value of the z component of the electric field as a function of z, and we'll include all the above regions. So labeling our axes as the electric field, and given our potential function is in volts and z is in meters, then the electric field is in volts per meter. So where z is greater than 2 meters, the electric field is constant at 2 volts per meter. So it looks something like this. And the electric field is 0 between 1 and 2 meters. And from 0 to 1 meter it's parabolic, and at z equals 1, the electric field is 2 volts per meter. So it looks something like this. And from minus 1 to 0 meters, the electric field is parabolic, and it's equal to minus 2 when z is equal to minus 1 meter. So it looks something like this. And from minus 2 to minus 1 meter, the electric field is 0, and where z is less than minus 2 meters, the electric field is minus 2 volts per meter.